So this is a room tour of room 36037 at Aria Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. And this is quite possibly one of the nicest rooms I've ever stayed in Vegas. And I got a complimentary upgrade. And we're not even in the room yet, and it's quite a nice view as it is, right? So this is a Sky Suites penthouse with panoramic view. It's on the corner of a floor, and just come and take a look at this with me. It's completely obscene for one person. So we've got a half bathroom in here. As you'd expect, very fresh and clean. The whole living area here. It's just ridiculous. So the view from the back is towards Orleans over there. Got a workstation. And then your view down to Park and Mandalay and New York, Excalibur and Luxor, MGM Grand over there, of course. And you've got a dining area, coffee and other chargeable items. I'm assuming this is a mini bar in there. I would hope you get a fridge for your own stuff, which you do. Excellent. There's nothing around there. This is insane, isn't it? This really is an insane room. I don't quite know what I've done to deserve this. She just said, I'm going to give you a complimentary upgrade to a Sky Suite. I mean, also, I did tip the lady on reception. It'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? Let's be honest. And then you come into the bedroom. Wonderful. Very nice. TV there. And then in the bathroom, you've got a tub. I guess it's just regular hanging space. Yep. Safe and slippers and what have you. This is the toilet in there. Oh, it's got one of those drying things on it as well by the looks of it. Shower. With a seat. And his and hers sinks. And actually you can walk out a different exit. So that is unbelievable. I've never got near a Sky Suite, and I'll be honest, I was going to mention this in the regular vlog, but for some reason my MGM comps since the last 2 trips have gone up massively, and I can only assume that's one of the reasons why they've comped me this. My free play has gone from like 225 the trip before last in the summer to 450 in December to 715 in March, which is a crazy, like a tripled. And I'm still getting 250 resort credit here. And now they've upgraded me. I was booked in originally to a panoramic suite, and obviously they've now booked me into the Sky Suites version of a panoramic suite. And there is apparently a room that serves complimentary drinks and wine and beer and what have you on the ground floor before you get into the lift, so I'm going to try that a bit later. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is my stay for the next 2 nights here in Las Vegas. March 2025, first trip of the year. Well, this will do, won't it really, eh? I'll see you in the regular vlog.